Hi there, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'd like to talk a little bit about some of the things that I really like to use when I'm performing. When it comes to castanets, I have Castanuelas del Sur, and I've only used this brand of castanets, and I really like them. And I've been using them for years. They're a good quality. These are fiberglass. And I purchased these through Flamenco Export. And they are a great company. They have a lot of other items like shoes, skirts, fans, shawls, not only for adults but for children as well. So they're a great resource if you're ever looking to purchase from good quality and a great service. They have great service there. My flamenco shoes, I used to use Gallardos, and my first pair were from Flamenco Export. I purchased my first pair there. And then after I had my child, my little girl, my feet changed. The shape of them changed. I've always had narrow feet, but they became a little wider. And so when I was dancing at the time with this other flamenco dancer, she recommended that I look into ArteFyl. So this is the brand ArteFyl. They're based in Spain, and they have good service. They get back to me right away, and the quality of their shoes is really good. Gallardos as well is based in Spain, and they're very good shoes. It's just that the shape of my foot changed. And so here is an ArteFyl shoe that I have. I have two of them. And I like them. They're really good quality. I like the sound, and they're comfortable. There's enough space for my toes in there. They're not all scrunched up. I think these are the Amaya style shoes. They're good. And so I just wanted to share that with you because I know that looking for a shoe can be kind of confusing. You might want to start with Flamenco Export, and it also depends where you are in the world. If you're based in the USA, there are some companies in the US that can help, but outside of the US, I don't know if you'd want to order directly from these companies in Spain, which I have had a really good experience with, and I really love the products that I've received from them. So I hope you find this helpful, and I'll leave the links below so you can check out their websites. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye. Have a great day.